In this unit, we want to look at the histogram. The histogram is a powerful tool we use to visualize our data. It is used to visualize the shape and the spread of a continuous variable. That is, if your data is quantitative and you want to look at the spread, look at some features of the data, whether it is normal or not, the histogram is a very good tool. So let us see how we can apply the knowledge. We have an exercise that says you are presented with the cost of electricity used in July 2018 by a random sample of 50 households in a GRA. The activity we have says use the histogram rather as a data visualization tool to visualize the data. What can you say about the distribution of the data? So for us to do this, let's go straight to the data. We have our data in the data file named data visualization. So if you go to your exercise files folder, you will get to see this data file. Then open it and go to exercise 2. When you do, highlight the data like I'm doing right now. Then go to home, copy your data, move to SPSS, right click to paste it, go to variable view. Let us define our data. We call it EUC, that is electricity utility charge. So we move to the label area to label our data. Let's call it electricity utility charge. Okay, press enter. We change the measure from unknown to scale because it is quantitative. So we are good to go. To now plot our graph, click on graphs, click on chart builder, click on histogram here and drag this first one to the canvas. So click and drag your data to the x-axis and drop it. Click OK to plot your graph. We have our histogram out. The next activity says what deductions can we make about the spread of the data, right? What can you say about this distribution of the data? So let's go back to our output view. The output has given us the chart, which looking at it shows that the data is normal because the bars grew to a point and starts falling. So this is good. This looks good. It may not be perfect normal because of this bar that is very tall, but it is actually normal. So this is what it is and how to do a histogram on SPSS. I'll meet you in the next unit.